want to hop on. I'm actually about to go out, take the baby out to this bounce place, and we're gonna go enjoy ourselves here in Phoenix because we've been in the house. And I'm kind of excited. Like I'm more excited than she is because I feel like since I've been sick and I'm still recovering from the flu, like I've been in confinement. So I'm ready to go out, see some new faces, see some new people. We'll see how but yeah, I just wanted to chit chat it up, and maybe after this little get ready with me, I will show y'all how the place looks. It's very nice. I saw pictures online, but I mean, it's nothing like seeing something in person. So being new to the neighborhood, you don't know exactly what you're gonna run into. So I'm from Houston, so it's like my guard is kind of up because I'm like, this hood is not mine. You know, the guard is up. So yeah, I'm just basically doing like my everyday makeup look. Nothing too extravagant. I always do my eyebrows for sure. So I'm just gonna go in, clean up my eyebrows with some concealer. I'm using Fawn by Pro Conceal, and wow. Beauty blender and do my under eye concealer. All still using Fawn by Pro Conceal. And the excess I'll just put on my eyelid. So RCMA powder and set all of this. And the RCMA powder has absolutely like no flash. Like, I love it. And the powder I'll be using is the Lancome Dual Finish powder. I absolutely love this powder. It goes on like full coverage foundation. I love it. I just go in circles. Chocolate, and I'm just gonna go through my eyebrows with it. ABH in the color Mahogany. It's a bronzer. I use to contour. So I'll just take it with a kind of like an angle brush like this. By NYX, it's like the ombre blush. It's like an orange color. And this also a glow kit in the color bronze here. I'm gonna get my nose. I normally use a smaller brush, but I'm like in a hurry, so I'm gonna at least give her like 2 hours of playtime. Okay, next dewy finish and spray my face. I don't feel like putting on lashes, so I'm just gonna add some mascara and put on my lips and go. and line my lips. And they dry kind of fast, so you gotta kind of work a little fast. So I'm gonna spray my face again. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look. It's pretty much like, I don't want to say basic because people are like, oh, you're not basic at all. Basically sums it up. I'm about to quickly go get dressed and head on our way to the Uptown Playhouse. All right, guys.